Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between NinjaTrader and TradeStation to see which platform is best for traders. We'll go through fees, trading tools, user experience, and more so you can make an informed choice. So for the user interface and experience, NinjaTrader has professional interface but powerful and can be overwhelming. For the TradeStation, it has cleaner interface and it is easier to navigate for beginners. Now, for the fees and commissions, NinjaTrader is free for charting and has paid for it is paid for live trading and commissions may vary. For TradeStation, it has competitive trading fees and slightly higher for casual traders. Now, for trading tools and features, NinjaTrader has best it is best for futures and algo trading, and it has highly customizable charts. And for TradeStation, it is strong for stocks and options, and it is great strategy testing. Now, for account types and minimums, NinjaTrader has low barrier for demo accounts and live trading requires more capital. For TradeStation, it has multiple account types and moderate minimums and beginner-friendly options. Now, for the customer support and resources, NinjaTrader has good online support and has active community forums as well. For TradeStation, it has strong support as well and a lot of tutorials and learning materials. Now, let's go to pros and cons. So, for NinjaTrader, it is excellent for futures and automation and steep learning curve. And it has a steep learning curve again. And for TradeStation, it is more beginner friendly and a versatile platform. So if you trade futures or love custom automation, then NinjaTrader is ideal for you. But if you want an easier setup with great stock and options tools, then TradeStation is the best pick for you. And that's basically just it. And I hope you found this comparison helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.